Popular blogger Tunde Ednut has found women bombarding him with messages on Instagram asking for Nigerian singer Davido's phone number. He made the revelation in a recent post. He warned female fans to desist from such requests as Davido is happily married. Ednut further threatened that henceforth he will be uploading pictures of any female still asking for the musician's number. Former Big Brother Naija housemate Maria Chike and her partner have welcomed their first child together. The reality star announced the arrival of their child via her Instagram page on Tuesday, October 3, 2023. She disclosed that their baby, a boy named Leonardo Amarana Anene, arrived on October 1st. Big Brother Naija All Stars finalist Ikechukwu Sunday Okonkwo, popularly known as Pros, has said former house guest KimOprah has some qualities of his ideal woman. He called that Kim was in an entanglement triangle with best friends, Cross and Perry, during her 3-week stay in the just concluded Big Brother Naija All Stars show. In a recent interview with Africa Magic, Cross told Ebuka Obi Uchendu that he was so happy when KimOprah came into the house. Why do women like married men?